Here's a sneak peek into Digital Chameleon's campaign measurement module from our Digital Fast Track series. This course covers the importance of determining and agreeing upon campaign objectives at the outset and ensuring that success can be measured and reported on in order to meet stakeholder expectations.
When you go beyond the standard campaign measurements, you'll find the real results. Throughout this module, you'll be shown how to go beyond standard campaign measurements to find metrics that are meaningful and relative to your campaign objectives. Let's review the learning objectives for this module. On completion of this module, you'll be able to describe the concept of ad serving and how it's used in online campaigns, recognize the tools and process involved in implementing a measurement strategy, and explain the importance of tracking and optimizing based on campaign objectives.
So I'll stop the narration here and show you some of the features within the module. First, the resource bank. So this is a list of resources, some of which are downloadable PDFs, others are links out onto resources on the web that all complement the content within the module. Within each one of the modules, you'll have a leave behind document that you can download, print, take notes on, and keep for your future reference. GeekSpeak, where we refer to the glossary. So within each one of our modules, we have a glossary of terms, and the terms included depend upon the subject matter within the module. So this is a handy reference that you can go back to as many times as you want during the course of the module.
Other modules, there are going to be terms and acronyms that might sound like a foreign language to you.
But by the end of the module, they will no longer be a foreign language to you, I promise. What we talk about first in campaign measurement is how ad serving works. So we have a diagram of how ad servers do what they do, and then we hear from
and here's a recap of some
publisher
of the suppliers
and
out there
advertiser ad servers. So here we hear from an agency.
Hi, my name is Nick and I work for an agency. We use a third-party ad server to upload our clients' ads.
And why an agency would use an ad server, and likewise why a publisher
Hi
would
there.
use an ad server.
My name's Julie and I work for a web publisher. Our ad server helps us manage and forecast ad inventory, handle billing.
Okay, and then we go on to some more terminology within ad serving and activity, and then we get into the crux of the module, which is all about measurement strategy. So we go through each one of the key processes within measurement strategy, and we wind it up with optimizing. So
now
here
let's
we
talk
go
for a
with
minute about
optimizing a
optimization.
campaign.
Optimization is using insights from campaign tracking reports to refine the results of a campaign while it's running to ensure that campaign ends up performing better than it started on the first day of the campaign.
Then there are some examples, some activities, questions with example tracking reports. Then discussion time. So this is where you get to go to your e-group, which is your group within Digital Chameleon's Learning Network. That's a place where you'll have access to us as well as other people taking the course, and your activities will link out into that learning network. So that's a great way to have some collaborative learning with other people who are taking the same course. At the end of each one of our modules, we have some key takeaways and highlights. And then once you've completed,
congratulations,
you're able again to go back to the Learning Network for any final thoughts, comments, or questions. And we always encourage you to fill out the feedback form so that we can continue to improve our courses. So if you'd like to subscribe to this or any other of our modules, please visit us at digitalchameleon.net. We look forward to hearing from you.